Good morning, students. We are studying the second chapter of physics, force and laws of motion. In this, we have studied about the Newton's first law of motion, law of inertia, and their application. Today, we have to study Newton's second law of motion. Students, we have studied about the momentum, which you must remember is the product of mass and velocity. Now, according to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of linear momentum of a body is directly proportional to the applied unbalanced force on the body in the direction of net force. That is, external force applied is directly proportional to, see here a new sign. This sign denotes proportional. External force applied is proportional to change in linear momentum divided by time taken. That is, when the rate of change of linear momentum is greater, the force will be greater. Now, it's a mathematical relation for Newton's second law of motion. You have to learn it, you have to make note of it. Consider a body of mass m moving with an initial velocity v. An external force F is applied on it, then its final velocity becomes to v after time t. Now, initial momentum, you know momentum is product of mass into velocity and m into u. Final momentum p2 m into v. Change in momentum, that is p2 minus p1. mv minus mu is here. M is common, mv minus u. Rate of change of linear momentum means divided by t, mv minus u by t. We have studied that v minus u by t is acceleration, that is a. So here we can write a means rate of change of linear momentum of the body is equal to ma. And according to Newton's second law of motion, rate of change of linear momentum is equal to applied force. Means rate of change of linear momentum, which is equal to ma, and it is equal to force. So then F will be equal to m into a. This can also be written as F is equal to mv minus u by t. This is the Newton's second law of motion mathematical form. From here, if we transpose, we will get A is equal to F by m written here. यानी एक्सीलरेशन अगर हमें फाइंड करना है तो इट विल बी फोर्स डिवाइडेड बाय मास. इफ द मास इज ग्रेटर, एक्सीलरेशन इज लेस, एंड मास इज लेस, एक्सीलरेशन विल बी ग्रेटर. कहने का मतलब यह है कि अगर कोई हल्की चीज़ है तो इसको अगर हमें एक्सीलरेट करना है, इसको अगर हम मोशन कराना चाहते हैं तो इसकी स्पीड ज़्यादा होगी, और अगर भारी ऑब्जेक्ट है तो इसको हम कम स्पीड से मोशन करा सकते हैं. यूनिट्स, स्टूडेंट्स, वी नो वी हैव स्टडीड F इज इक्वल टू ma. तो फॉर फाइंडिंग द यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स इज unit of mass into unit of acceleration. We know that unit of mass is kilogram and unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Therefore, unit of force is kilogram meter per second square. This is also known as Newton. It is denoted by capital letter N. फोर्स की यूनिट जो है वह किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर है, और इसको हम लोग यन, कैपिटल यन से डिनोट करते हैं. फोर्स जो है आपकी वेक्टर क्वांटिटी होती है, इट इज वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. नाउ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ 1 न्यूटन. 1 न्यूटन is equal to 1 किलोग्राम इंटू 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. देखिए यहाँ लिखा हुआ है 1 न्यूटन इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोग्राम इंटू 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. मीन्स 1 न्यूटन is that amount of force which when applied on a body of mass 1 kg produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in it. This is the definition of 1 Newton. In serious system, unit of force is dyne. डाइन सीरियस सिस्टम में फोर्स की यूनिट होती है और 1 डाइन इज इक्वल टू 1 ग्राम सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन न्यूटन एंड डाइन? 1 न्यूटन इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोग्राम इंटू 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. 1 kilogram that is 1000 gram. 1 meter per second square and 100 centimeter per second square. After the multiplication we will have 10 power 5 gram centimeter per second square. That is 1 Newton is equal to 10 के power 5 time. Students, some more results according to Newton's second law of motion. F is equal to ma. You can see an important observation. If the acceleration in a body is zero, कहने का मतलब एक बॉडी में एक्सेलरेशन नहीं है. इसका मतलब यह हुआ कि द बॉडी इज आइदर इन रेस्ट और इट इज मूविंग विथ यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. देन if we here put a is equal to 0, तो f will be equal to 0. Means if acceleration is 0, it means no external unbalanced force is acting on body. And if acceleration is not equal to 0, it means there is an external unbalanced force acting on the body. If acceleration in a body is negative, it means the external force is against the motion of body, and if it is positive, it means the force applied on the body is in the direction of the motion. Students, we have to write all these things. You have to make notes Newton's second law of motion, which is given here. You have to write here from here. And mathematical relation for Newton's second law of motion, you have to write starting from here to here. And you have to write this also. Units of force आपको लिखना है. After that you have to write definition of 1 Newton. सीरियस सिस्टम फोर्स की यूनिट डाइन, ये भी आपको नोट करनी है. एंड रिलेशन बिटवीन न्यूटन एंड डाइन, ये आपको नोट करना है. यहाँ 1 डाइन ये आपको डेफिनेशन दिया हुआ है. एंड आफ्टर दैट some remarks, 1 2 3 4 remarks you have to note down to make it your notes. Now some questions, numericals are very important. Now today we will study some numericals also. देखिए example 1, an acceleration of 2 meter per second square is produced in a body of mass 20 kg. We have to find out the force. Here acceleration a is given, a is equal to 2 meter per second square, m is equal to 20 kg. सिंपल सा कैलकुलेशन है. f is equal to ma, यानी 20 into 2 40 Newton. Similarly the next question, second, a force of 35 Newton, f is given 35 Newton, acceleration is given 1.5 meter per second square. Using the formula f is equal to ma, m will be equal to f by a. Put the value, f is 35 and a is 1.5, you will get your answer. Similarly, one more question, example 3. Here we are given mass of the car m is equal to 1800 kg, मूविंग विथ वेलोसिटी ऑफ 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर, u की वैल्यू दी गई है आपको 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर, यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मीटर पर सेकेंड. कैलकुलेट, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द अमाउंट, कैलकुलेट द मोमेंटम ऑफ द कार. सिंपल सी बात है, मोमेंटम आप जानते हो मास इंटू वेलोसिटी होती है. तो मास आपको दिया गया है 1800 किलोग्राम, वेलोसिटी दी गई है 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर. इसको मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये आ गया 50/3. मोमेंटम P इज इक्वल टू m इंटू वी, तो इट विल बी m इज 1800 एंड v इज 50/3. कैलकुलेट करने पर ये आपका आंसर आ जाता है. Similarly, I am given example 4, example 5 and example 6 as the content. You have to study all these contents and you have to make note. After some time you will have your homework. Classwork is to make notes. Thank you.